you guys. What's up? Here's the thing, and I hope you guys don't believe her and watch her lying ass video. Flamer Wears, that's her name. She thinks I scam her when I didn't. I never traded her. I didn't met her or nothing. So she made an account saying Black Rose is a scammer. That's the first account. And I just saw the second account. And I am beyond pissed right now. And so I'm trying so hard not to curse. But look at this little bitch. This user called Black Rose is a rat scammer. Okay. Then you're a little asshole. You're ugly as fuck. I don't know you. I never met you. Me, you never trade. So bitch, get your head straight in the game. Cause I did not fucking know you. What do you think I know you? I don't fucking know. But I don't fucking know your ass. I never trade you. If I did, I would know. I would check. You're not on my. She's not even on my friends list. Flaming Rares, not even on my friends list, not in the trade list, not in the block list. And I blocked her yesterday because all this shit happened fucking yesterday, and I'm fucking pissed. I'm trying to calm down, trying not to curse as much that I am, but she pissed me off. Like, she's accusing me, calling me a scammer when I never traded her. And then she tells me her main XO Sandy, search it up. Doesn't not exist. That account does not exist. Her main does not exist. Flaming Rares, I already freaking block her, report her for lying, for all that shit. I did not even. I'm so pissed. I'm so fucking pissed off. I really need to calm down because if I ever do meet this chick in real life, I'm gonna freaking. I'm gonna stop that sentence. She messed with me, I messed with her. How about that? So people, can you guys please write in on her guest book saying liar, cause I never met her. Look at this. Black Rose 107 scare me in real life. She probably has her hair like the one I am wearing. How? How did I met her in real life? She gotta tell me how. Cause I go to school, I go out, and I don't fucking see this chick. She probably in another country. And just bitch. fucking bitch. I'm trying to control my anger right now, but I can't because this bitch got me pissed off. So yeah, if one of you guys, if you guys trade with me before, you guys know I'm not a scammer. So don't believe her crap. Oh yeah, and also search on her YouTube, because I searched it up and it doesn't exist. Lord. Make sure I'm done to meet this freaking bitch in real life. If I do, I'm gonna freaking shave her hair off. Or do worse. She's pissing me off. She is pissing me off. Oh yeah, and vote for who's your favorite couple on a movie that made. And I wrote this on her guest book. How did I scam you in real life? We never met. Which is true. We never fucking met, so how? How? Tell me, bitch. Tell me. How the fuck that we met? I don't get it. I never scammed this chick and she just accusing me for scamming her. And that was yesterday. Like, bitch, are you fucking kidding me? I know what she's trying to do. She's trying to get me kicked out of Movie Star Planet. So guys, help me out and make sure that never happened. Cause this chick is pissing me off in like so many levels. I know how many times I said that she pissed me off and I'm so pissed off. But you know, help me out, you guys. Not. I'm gonna freaking report her ass more than one time. I already report her for flaming rares. She got locked out. I don't know for how long, but hopefully forever. That's all for today, you guys. I see you next time. Goodbye. I'm still trying to calm down, but you know, it's getting a little bit harder to calm down while she's doing this crap. Bye. And sorry for my language. Please, kids, do not watch this video.